The story begins in the skies over Crimea. For months, Russia believed it had locked down the peninsula, building walls of air defense, electronic jamars, and naval patrols to keep Ukraine's drones away. But the unexpected happened. Out of the shadows, a familiar figure returned, the Bayraktar TB2 drone. Once a symbol of Ukrainian resistance in the early stages of the war, the Bayraktar had nearly vanished from headlines. Russia claimed to have neutralized it, forcing Ukraine to adapt with new tactics and technologies. Yet now, against all expectations, the Bayraktars are back. This comeback has stunned observers as these drones have once again pierced deep into Crimean skies, striking naval targets, exposing air defenses, and creating panic among Russian troops who thought the danger was long gone. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Future X USA channel. Please subscribe and like my videos for more updates and deep dives into the technology and tactics shaping today's conflicts. The Bayraktar TB2 has made headlines once again, and today we are going to break down its features in detail. Its exterior design, interior systems, performance capabilities, safety features, unique selling points, and even what one might call its price tag on the modern battlefield. This will help us understand why this drone, once counted out, has managed to rewrite the narrative in Crimea and beyond. When we talk about the exterior of the Bayraktar TB2, the first impression is its simplicity and elegance. Not a massive aircraft, nor does it look intimidating at first glance. With a wingspan of about 12 meters and a streamlined body, it carries a minimalistic design tailored for endurance rather than speed. Its lightweight composite structure is designed to minimize radar signature, making it harder to detect. Unlike manned fighter jets that scream across the skies, the Bayraktar glides silently, often unseen until it delivers its strike. The exterior also includes hardpoints under its wings that can carry guided munitions, small but deadly bombs capable of precision strikes. The long wings give it superior lift, enabling it to loiter in the skies for over 24 hours without needing to land. That combination of endurance and invisibility makes the Bayraktar look less like a weapon of brute force and more like a patient predator circling over its prey. Inside, the Bayraktar is not built for human comfort because there is no pilot inside. Its interior exists in two parts: the onboard systems and the ground control station. On board, it carries advanced avionics, GPS navigation, and high-resolution electro-optical cameras. These sensors are its eyes, capable of spotting movements, mapping targets, and relaying live video feeds back to operators. The ground control station, which is the nerve center of the system, is often housed inside a mobile truck or a protected shelter. Here, operators control the drone with joysticks, computer screens, and encrypted communication links. The interface is designed to be user-friendly yet precise, allowing Ukrainian forces to maneuver the drone with accuracy, even under electronic warfare pressure. Unlike manned aircraft, where cockpit complexity can overwhelm a pilot, the Bayraktar's design ensures that operators can stay focused on the mission itself, analyzing intelligence and delivering strikes without physical fatigue. Performance is where the Bayraktar truly shines. With a maximum altitude of 25,000 feet and the ability to remain airborne for more than a full day, it dominates the battlefield through persistence rather than speed. Its cruising speed of around 130 kilometers per hour may sound modest compared to jets, but it's perfect for surveillance and long-duration patrol. The Bayraktar is not just a camera in the sky. It carries guided MAM-L and MAM-C munitions, precision weapons capable of destroying armored vehicles, air defense systems, and naval vessels with pinpoint accuracy. In Crimea, we've seen these drones used to devastating effect, crippling Russian radar installations and taking out high-value naval targets. Their real strength lies in their ability to dismantle layered defenses by striking weak points, paving the way for other Ukrainian systems to exploit openings. In performance terms, it's not the most advanced drone in the world, but it's the right mix of affordability, simplicity, and effectiveness, making it uniquely suited to the Ukrainian battlefield. Safety features may sound unusual in a weapon, but in drone warfare, safety refers to survivability and reliability. The Bayraktar TB2 has proven itself resilient against jamming and electronic warfare. While Russia has tried to blind it with electronic countermeasures, Ukrainian operators have adapted their tactics, using encrypted channels and satellite guidance to keep the drones operational. The drone also has redundant control systems, meaning if one communication link is cut, backup systems can take over. This level of safety ensures that missions don't end in failure due to a single point of disruption. Moreover, from the human perspective, drones like the Bayraktar protect pilots by keeping them far from danger. Unlike fighter jets, where a pilot's life is always at risk, these drones ensure that losses are measured in equipment, not human lives. That makes them a safer, more ethical option for militaries needing to strike in contested areas. The unique selling points of the Bayraktar TB2 are what set it apart from other drones on the market. First is its cost-effectiveness. Unlike American or Israeli drones that can cost tens of millions of dollars, the Bayraktar is priced at around $5 million per unit. For that price, Ukraine gets not just a drone but a complete system with multiple aircraft, ground control stations, and supporting equipment. This affordability has made the Bayraktar accessible to countries that cannot afford high-end drones, turning it into an export success for Turkey. Another unique feature is its proven combat record. Many drones look good on paper but fail in real wars. The Bayraktar, however, has been battle-tested in Libya, Syria, Nagorno-Karabakh, and now Ukraine. Each conflict has demonstrated its ability to adapt and deliver results against different opponents. Another selling point is its symbolism. Beyond its physical abilities, the Bayraktar has become an icon of resistance and ingenuity, a reminder that smaller nations with limited resources can still punch above their weight using smart technology. Talking about price in economic terms, the Bayraktar is a bargain compared to traditional fighter jets or even other UAV. A single modern fighter jet, like an F-35, can cost over $80 million, not including maintenance and pilot training. For the same money, a country could buy a fleet of Bayraktars, gaining persistent surveillance and strike capacity across multiple fronts. For Ukraine, this cost-benefit ratio has been critical. Every drone lost is painful, but losing one Bayraktar is not nearly as devastating as losing a jet and a highly trained pilot. In Crimea, where multiple drones are deployed simultaneously, the price advantage allows Ukraine to swarm defenses, overwhelming Russian systems with sheer numbers. In the economics of war, that's a decisive advantage. The conclusion is clear: the Bayraktar TB2 is more than just a drone. It is a symbol, a tool, and a strategy wrapped into one. Its exterior design makes it stealthy and efficient. Its interior systems bring clarity and control to operators on the ground. Its performance has repeatedly proven effective, knocking out defenses and shifting the balance on the battlefield. Its safety features protect both the mission and the operators, ensuring resilience against countermeasures. Its unique selling points, affordability, combat record, and symbolism, make it stand out in the crowded world of military drones. And its price ensures that even nations with modest budgets can deploy cutting-edge aerial power. In Crimea, the Bayraktar's comeback is more than just a military story. It's a reminder that war is not always about the biggest or the most expensive machines, but about adaptability, persistence, and timing. Ukraine has shown that by reviving this iconic drone at just the right moment, it can unsettle Russia's defenses and reclaim initiative in a contested region. Whether the Bayraktar will remain a long-term game-changer is yet to be seen, but for now, its storm over Crimea has captured global attention. And as we watch events unfold, one thing is certain: the Bayraktar has secured its place in the history of modern warfare. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the Future X USA channel, like this video, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the technology and strategies that are shaping our world today.